Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesloft to manage lists and targeting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Salesloft. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Salesloft homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the upper right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to a new login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Double-check to ensure both your email and password are typed correctly. Once verified, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Salesloft dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Lists tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Lists tab to view all your existing lists. To create a new list, click on the Create List button at the top. Fill in the required fields for your new list. Make sure to select appropriate targeting options for effective outreach. After filling in the details, click Save to create the list. To manage an existing list, click on the specific list you wish to modify. Here, you can edit, delete, or adjust targeting settings as needed. Remember to save any changes you make to ensure they are applied. Once you have finished managing your lists, you can navigate back to the dashboard. To log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu, select the Logout option. This will securely log you out of your Salesloft account. Your session is now complete, and you can close the browser window. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.